If you stand perfectly still while talking, your audience's brain will eventually tune out. Use your hands to emphasize points. Movements create visual energy that keeps viewers' eyes locked on the screen. Don't overdo it, but let your hands help tell the story. Motion creates emotion. It makes you appear more passionate, more energetic, and more human to your audience. The first seconds of your video is the most expensive real estate you own. If nothing happens, they swipe. Start with a physical movement, a loud statement, or a visual change immediately. Never start with, "Hi guys, welcome back." By the time you finish that sentence, they've already gone. Dive straight into the value, give them a reason to stay before they have a chance to leave. On a small phone screen, your facial expressions are magnified. Use them to your advantage. Smile when you're sharing a win and look serious when you're giving a warning. Match your face to your message so the viewers can feel what you're saying before they even process the words. Authenticity shows in the eyes. Let your personality shine through every frame. Sometimes a talking head video can feel a little flat. The fix? Use a simple stage prop. Hold a coffee mug, point a pen, or have a book in your hand. These small items give the viewer's eyes something to land on and make the scene feel more lived in and natural. It breaks up the vacuum of the screen. Use your environment to add a layer to your personality. Now, everyone has a recording voice, but is it helping your brand? Decide if you want to sound like the authority figure or a relatable peer. The authority speaks slower and deeper. The peer is high energy and faster paced. Pick a tone and stay consistent. When people know what they expect from your voice, they are more likely to hit that subscribe button. If you have a white wall, don't wear white. You'll blend in and look like a floating head. Wear colours that contrast with your background to make yourself the focus point of the video. Bold, solid colours usually work best for social media reels and shorts. Check your colour pop before you hit record. You want to stand out, not fade into the background. Stop using words like "hey guys" or "you all." It makes the viewer feel like just another number in a crowd. Use the word "you." Talk to the camera like you're speaking to that one friend across the table. Direct address makes the content feel personal and intimate, which is what builds true loyalty. One person, one camera, one conversation. That is how you build a movement. Music shouldn't just be there, it should drive the pace to your editing. Pick a track that matches the mood of your tip, high energy for growth hacks and lo-fi for mindset tips. Lower the volume when you're speaking and swell the music during those transitions or big reveals. Sound is 50% of the experience. Use it to guide the viewer's emotions from start to finish. So human beings hate unfinished stories. Use this to your advantage with the cap. Mention a secret tip or a big reveal at the very beginning, but don't give it away until the last 5 seconds. And if they want the answer, they have to watch the whole video right till the end. Open a loop in their mind and don't close it until the very end. That is how you skyrocket your watch time. The camera sometimes has a weird way of making you look more tired than you actually are. If you feel like you're a 10 in energy, it usually comes across as a 7 on screen. Before you start filming, do some jumping jacks or listen to some high energy songs to get your vibe up. Be the most energetic version of yourself. Your excitement is contagious. Give them something to be excited about. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And some of my other videos should be popping up around now, so don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say? I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!